Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. The United Nations Security Council has just convened an emergency meeting to discuss the West Asia conflict. We'll get you the details of what transpired in this meeting. First, the headlines. Netanyahu says Israel has quote-unquote interesting intel on location of Iran's 60% enriched uranium. Bibi also says Israel's strikes in Iran will not end prematurely. Iran's permanent envoy at the United Nations Security Council slams Israel and the US for what he terms as politically motivated attacks on Iran, says the Non-Proliferation Treaty was used as a pretext for unlawful action on the country. Israel's United Nations envoy accuses Iran of using negotiations as camouflage to buy time to build missiles and enrich uranium. Defends Israeli attacks, says cost of inaction would have been catastrophic. President Donald Trump posts another statement, repeats that US has caused monumental damage to the nuclear sites in Iran. Post further says that hits were hard and accurate. US President Donald Trump hints at a need for regime change in Iran, while saying that regime change is not a politically correct term. Donald Trump accuses the current establishment of not making Iran great again. France prepares to evacuate its nationals from Israel. A French A400M military aircraft to be sent to Israel, subject to clearance from Tel Aviv. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is now in Moscow to meet Putin and other Russian officials. This a day after US bombed Iran's nuclear sites. At United Nations Security Council, the IAEA chief says US strikes have impacted Fordo, Natanz and Isfahan. Radiation levels remain unchanged. He calls for de-escalation to allow inspection at Iran's nuclear sites. Advisor to Iran's Supreme Leader Khamenei has said that US no longer has a place in the region now, and has said that US bases used to strike Iran are now legitimate targets. Demonstrators rally outside the White House, protest against American involvement in the Israel-Iran war after US attacked Iran's nuclear sites.